Hello, children. Today we are going to learn the letter O. Let's look at the picture and learn the words that start with the letter O. O for ox. O for owl. O for ostrich. O for olives. O for orange. This is the letter O. Reading fun. Now let's read a short story together. Ostrich, ox and owl are animals. They are eating oranges and olives. STEAM activities. Let's do some fun activities together. S. Tell the students we get oil from olives for cooking food. T. Listen the letter O by watching video. E. Use Play-Doh to make a shape of O. A. Draw an orange on paper sheet and color it. M. Count objects beginning with the sound O around you. Word building. Let's spell and read these words. O-U-T, out. O-I-L, oil. O-L-D, old. Well done, children. Goodbye.